So now we will be creating our first design, and this is where you have to start working along with me. So if you are following this course, I would suggest that in one tab you open up this course, and on the other tab you register on Canva, you open up your Canva homepage, so we can move accordingly and parallelly. So you can practice and learn, practice and learn. That is how you learn better. So here, if you want to create a new design, what we will do, we will go up here, we will click on create a design, we will click here, and here, for example, right now we'll be making a simple presentation, but if you want to make something else, you can definitely choose here. So here you can see the dimension is given here, that is 1920 by 1080 pixel. So this is the dimension for HD. You can click here, else you can go to custom size, you can put 1920 by 1080 pixel, and then you can create a design. So what I will do here, because the template is already given here, I'll click here and a new tab will open up. So once the new tab opens up, you will see all the features. I'll be explaining them one by one. Here, if you want to go back to your home, you have to click here. If you want to know about the file, you can change the name of the file, you can create a new design, you can use ruler if you really want, you can turn it off, and there are multiple options here. You can display margins and everything. So all the options are here, which you can definitely go through and use. You can go and download here, you can make a copy, version history, everything you can. So here, if I want to download, I can download here directly. So these are the options. Here there are multiple options as well, which I will discuss as we progress in this video. So on the left hand side, you can click on the template section, and it will show you a lot of templates which you can use. If you want to design from scratch, it's fine, but if you want to work and start off with a template, you can select any template which is given here. And if you want to browse through the template here, what you need to do is, for example, if I like this template, I'll click on it. So it is showing that there are 10 pages. So if I really want to use all the 10 pages, I'll click on apply all 10 pages, and then all the 10 pages will be provided here in Canva. And if I want to delete all of them, I will select here, I'll click on Control A, and then I will click on delete. So all the slides will be deleted. If I want to go back and I can go through, for example, if I like this design, I'll click on it and it will show up. This is how simple it is. So you can either use a template or you can start from scratch. Doesn't really matter here. So for example, if I like this design, I'll just click on it. You can choose any design that you want. And if you want to start off with a new design, you can just click here, it'll add a page. If you want to change the background here, you can click on the background, you can select the color here, you can click here, you can select any color that you want. If you want a custom color, you can click here and you can select any color that you want. If you have any hex code, you can definitely select that hex code here. For example, if I want white, I can select white and the background will be white. On the left hand side, you have elements. So for example, if you want any kind of image or presentation or anything, any kind of graphic element, you can definitely add it here. For example, if I want to add a globe, I can just type globe and I can search for it. There might be some images which are paid, so you might have to pay for that. Most of them are free of cost. So for example, if I like this image, I can put it here and I can resize it, I can move it around anywhere, I can just resize it, right? And if I want to delete it, I'll click on it and I will click on delete, so it will be deleted. And again, if I want to undo it, then I can click here or press Ctrl Z, so I will be able to do. This is how it works. And for example, if you want to upload any photo from your document or from your computer, you can do that. You can either drag and drop or you can upload your media, images, photos, videos, anything that you want. If you want to add any text, this is where you do it. You can go to text and you can click here. There are multiple designs which you can choose from, but if you want to just select one text, or if you want to add a text, you can click here. And next is, if you want to add any kind of photos, you can find any photo here. Most of the photos are free of cost. There are few photos that you have to pay for. If you go for a pro version, you don't have to pay. All the images from their library will be free of cost for you. And if you want to add any audio or any kind of video, you can do that. You can find here, and there are multiple options. If you have any logo for your company, you can definitely upload it here, and then you'll be able to easily access the logo of your company here. So that's the basic understanding of how the design page looks like in Canva. Now what we will be doing here is we will be creating a simple design, right? A photo and a text. So for example, it can be a first slide, like a welcome slide. For example, I'm not going to use this, so I'll delete them. I'll delete this slide, and here I have put a photo here, I've put a text here. So if I want to change the font of this text, what I'll do is I'll click on the text and then I will browse here. Here you can change and select the text. So now if you want to change the font of the text, or if you want to change the size of the text, what we will be doing here is we'll be clicking on this, then we will be going here. Here you can select any kind of different fonts which is given here. For example, if I like this font, and after choosing this font, I can change the size, I can make it big, I can make it capitalized, I can make it underlined, bold, I can do that. And also if I want to capitalize or make it uppercase, I can do that. Then you can scroll through different fonts which is available here. So for example, if I use this font, I can definitely use it. If I want to make this photo a little bit smaller, I can click here. If I want to make it center aligned, I can do that. You can change the alignment of the text. So for example, let me change it to skillyogi.org. So this is how you can easily put up a photo and text here. And again, if I want to reduce the space between the lines, I can go to this spacing and then I can click here. Then I can reduce the space between the lines. And here it is, very simple and easy. If I want to change the background, I can do that. I can select the color here. I can select the color here, any color that you want, any kind of color. So this is how you can very easily create your first design. So as you're going with this course, please parallelly with me make your design, and if you have any question or queries, please comment in the comment section, or you can ask me in the mentor section here. And that's about it, very simple and easy. And in the next videos we will be understanding how you can create complex design. So I hope that you have understood how the dashboard looks like. You can definitely go through and create a file, create a design, and here you have created your first design. You can make anything that you want, or you can create the same design that I have made here.